Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Beautiful car. It's finished in torch red. It's got the white hockey stick stripes down the sides, white interior, white convertible top. Nice car. I bought this car at a show down in South Carolina, and really just a good car. It's an older restoration, but very well maintained. There's a couple of things you can pick at on the car, but nice car. And I'll tell you one thing, guys, outstanding driver. My biggest gripe about convertibles, especially in the smaller cars, the Camaros and some of your E-body Mopars, normally you drive them down the road, they just rattle like crazy. This thing is nice and tight. Even on our Michigan roads that are just loaded with bumps, this thing just went down the road excellent. Again, generally got it from sets, an older restoration, figured 8 to 10-year-old resto. Didn't know the miles. If you do the math, most people put between 500 and 1,000 miles a year, so there's probably 4,000 or 5,000 miles on this car. Great car. It's finished in torch red, which is just jumps off the car. All brand new 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around. It's got all brand new rubber. You can see it's got the cowl hood. It's got the front and rear spoilers. Good car. Paint's nice. There's a couple little things in this passenger door jamb, so you can kind of nitpick, but nice car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Pretty red on this car. Again, this is not a factory color. I think the original color was actually gold. But this torch red is pretty. It just jumps off the car. And then, of course, it's nice about white interior. You put the top down. If that's black, boy, you blister your rear end. In fact, when I remember when our older boy, when he was young, we went to a car show in a Chevelle with black interior and blistered the back of his legs. White top too. Again, it's got the rear spoilers, front spoiler. I'd say these are original. Both front and rear bumpers have been changed. They're too nice to be original. Car's nice and straight down the side, sits good, it's clean underneath, and it's a '69 Camaro convertible, man. It is tough to get these. It's just a little smudge mark. That's nothing, guys. I know guys are getting frustrated. I've had several emails, I've had a couple of phone calls. I've got a lot of cars, and now they're selling them before they're even getting the videos and stuff done. Again, guys, I've really been focused on getting out and buying cars. I've got a ton of stuff coming. I know that there's only 1 or 2 pictures on our social media or on our website, and guys want to see these videos. I'm the only one that does the videos. I like to give you guys my opinion on why I bought the car. That's why I do them. It's got front disc brakes, does have the slotted and drilled rotors on the front. Dual chrome mirrors. 350 engine, it's not matching numbers, and it's pretty much just a standard rebuild. No big cam or anything. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. You can see the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering, power front disc brakes. HEI distributor, 350 trans. Stock exhaust manifolds. And again, very impressed with the way it ran and drove. You can see they got the little PBT, that's your inspection marks out of the factory. They've just recreated those there. Car is slick. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Looks like those have been replaced. Definitely new door rubbers. I love the color combination with the white, and then again, you'll really appreciate it when the sun's beating down on the interior, because that white definitely stays cooler. They put some aftermarket speakers in the door pads there. Bucket seats, console. It's got the wood grain dash. Again, power top. 16,284. Like I say, that's not actual. I'm sure it's 116. Again, power top. Factory dash. It's got an aftermarket radio, but they've actually updated it. It's got a newer radio in the glove box that works. Original owner's manual's in there. Dual exhaust, 12 bolt, stock rear gear, 323. No big monster gear or anything. Definitely something you can jump on the expressway and cruise. See, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Spares in here. The car's nice underneath. Just standard like a turbo dual, so it's not real loud. And you see a little mark in your door pad there. Sorry, some of the dust in here. You can nitpick here. You can see it's got a couple little spots in that door pad that have cracked, or not door pad, in the door jamb that cracked. Same thing there. Again, that's in the jam. You don't see it outside the car. Seats are nice. You can see the. It's got the SS, if I can get, there we go. There's your aftermarket radio, original owner's manual's in there. That does work. I'm gonna leave that open, George, just gotta turn it up, it does work. Crack in your console. Again, very impressed with the way this thing ran and drove. Again, if you've got a lot of experience with convertibles, it's always my biggest gripe, man. They go down the road, you hit a bump, and they rattle like crazy. This thing is really tight. In here, no big cam or anything, just like I say, pretty much standard rebuilt 350. 350 3-speed automatic trans behind it. Really just a fuel gauge in there. Oh, you put your power top up a little bit. Again, power top. You can see they've definitely replaced that. Look good. It's got the plastic rear window. That's good, Jordan. See, the backup lights work. And like I say, really hits the road nice. Yeah, it works. It's got the kick speakers in the kick panels. Yeah, turn that little knob. Yep, there you go. No, turn the other way. There you go. Blower motor does work. Oh, those need to be adjusted a little bit. We need to adjust those wipers a little bit. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is with our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Pretty car.